But you want to make a GIF, but you don't know how to do it, and I had the same question, but now I know. First up, you need a video. I'm just gonna use the invisible fringe for example, because that's a famous GIF right now. You wanna make that the same, like remove the background, the black borders right there. So 1080 by 1080. I'm just gonna add something to it so it's not the exact same. There we go. Don't know what that is, but let's just do that. Then you also need in your editing software like something 1080 by 1080 again and 60 FPS. Then we are saving that. Then what I like to do is head over to Easy GIF, which is a really easy site to make GIFs like you need to find right there. Then you need to find the video. I'm not gonna show you all of this because this is my computer. And there we go. Now we have it right here. And then I'll just change it to 60, the max FPS. Then I convert it to a GIF. Like it's so easy. Then I just save it. Boom. Open this. Now I have a GIF on my PC. It's really easy to do. Like it's so easy. But yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good day.